Hi everybody, welcome to landscape material part 2. In previous tutorial we show you how to paint the landscape. Now I will show you the option of paint tool. There is a paint, there is a smooth, there is a flatten, there is a noise. Each of them have different characteristics. Now if we select paint and we paint it, just paint. If we smooth it, the painting will smooth in. We can smooth it, a nice color. You can see when we smooth, the color is like blending with other. This is useful when we use it the correct way. Now select the flatten. It just use select the grass, and you just if we select grass and drag it, it will make grass everywhere. If we select here and drag it, then it will change like this. I hope you understand. If we select the noise, it will add just noise. We can make noise like that. We can change like that. There is a brush type, there is a texture. If we add it, it will add like that. Maybe I change other texture. If we select hard rock and we paint like that, it will paint like that. Depend on your texture, you can change the texture. We have default this texture. You can add your own texture. Now we can change the brush type and also the painting, and it will also change the brush tool. Select the brush type. We can also add and subtract. If we add it, the color will add. If we subtract, the color will remove. There is a brush size like our sculpting. We can change the brush size. We can make it bigger, we can make it lower, we can use brush fall off. Now we can use material instance function. That is very useful function. I just right click with selected the material, and you will see an option called create material instance. Now I create a material instance. I select the landscape and add the material instance. You will see it is the same because we use material as a parent class. Now if we use parameter texture parameter 2D, currently we are using texture sample. It is not showing in our landscape instance, but if we add parameter 2D and change the name, we can use parameter, add it, copy and paste, change the name, save it. Now we change our color is change because we don't use the normal map here. But the main theme is we can change the texture using landscape instance. Just drag and drop and save, and everything is fine. It will not take too much time when we save the material. So change it to wood oath, and the normal map should be the wood also. Now it's just change very quickly. Some of material need time to take apply the material. So this is when the material instance use. Now add a rock and rock normal map, and if we go to the closer, you see that our material is changing. Now it's the rock. Now we can change with other color also. Let's select the breathe color. The color is changing but normal map is not changing, so change the normal map. Now it's fine. It look like fine. So this is how we can add all of the texture parameter and changes from material instance. I will do it now. Now copy and paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and change the name, change the texture, copy V, and I will change the name. I name it Roth, copy the texture, paste the texture. I name it breathe, copy and paste the texture. I name it hard Roth and copy the texture and paste the texture. Edit and edit. I do it the same in normal map. Change the normal map and copy all three of texture parameter, edit here. Now change the name Roth normal, change the texture, copy and paste, copy and change the name, copy and paste, change the name, copy and paste, change the normal map, change the normal map. Now save. Now we can modify it from here. Everything is in here, you can see it. It is not showing it when you use texture sample. This is why we use texture parameter. So this is for today's tutorial. Bye bye everybody, see you in next tutorial.